I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm about to color my hair from copper to black. If you've checked out my first YouTube video on this channel, you saw that I colored my hair from black to copper, but now I'm about to flip it back and reverse it. Why, you may ask? Simply because I'm ready to have dark hair color again. I really do love the copper look, but I'm ready to go back to black. That's my color. I really love it, so I want to get back into that vibe. I might leave the tips copper depending on how much of the color that I use out of the bottle, but the product that I'm using is the Clear All Beautiful Collection Moisturizing Color. This is a semi-permanent color, meaning that it's a rinse and it's semi-permanent, so it's not 100% permanent. I have the color in jet black. This is the product that I've used when I was a loose natural as well with coloring my hair. This is a product that I've been using for years. I can vouch for it, I should say. You know what I mean? So if you're looking for a semi-permanent product to do color for your hair, look into Clear All. Per the directions, I need to start with freshly shampooed hair. So I'm about to take this off my neck because I totally forgot I gotta shampoo my hair first. I'm thinking I'm about to just apply this to my hair as it is. I'm gonna go shampoo my hair and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you all how I apply it. Starting with freshly washed hair, I washed my locks. I use the what is it? What is it called? Oh my god. What is the name of the product? Loc'licious, y'all. It's been a long day, but I use the Loc'licious clarifying shampoo to wash my locks. And now I'm about to get started with applying the color. You'll want to have some latex gloves and also a plastic cap. Also use an old towel to cover your surrounding areas or like the floor, whatever, so you don't get color on it. And a t-shirt, an old t-shirt, I would recommend you use to put around your neck so that the color doesn't get on you. This is my coloring t-shirt. I always use this t-shirt when I color my hair and also when I wash my hair. It's just my go-to t-shirt. All right, I have my mirror here so I can follow along with what I'm doing. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. I already know how it goes when it comes to coloring my hair, so I know the vibes. All right, put on the gloves. I'm also already going to open up these caps so that they'll be easy to put on by the time my color is on my hair. Okay, so I use about 3 caps to cover my hair because I have a lot of hair, and also because I don't want the color to like leak through. Use as many caps as you need to and that you feel most comfortable with. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to start with start in the back. I think I'll start in the back of my hair, and I'm going to start at the roots and then work my way down. The goal is just to make sure that my locks get covered with the black color. Okay, so this is about as much as I sectioned off. Per the directions, it says apply beautiful collection directly from the bottle to shampooed towel dried hair, process 25 minutes at room temperature. So I like to shake it up a bit before I apply it, and I'm going to apply it directly to my scalp and work my way down. So you'll see. I'm not stopping at a specific point. I'm just kind of eyeing it and massaging it down as much as I can. Okay, so for the next few clips, I sped it up just so you can see how I am applying the color. But I'm just squeezing the color into my locks and gently massaging them into my locks so that it can cover the copper color as much as it can. But my primary focus, like I stated, is my roots. So I'm just massaging it down with the expectation that my tips are still going to be lighter. It honestly did not take too long for me to apply the color to my locks. I think it's because I know how to work it in, and like I said, I've been using this color for some time now, so I know how it pretty much goes. But when you get the hang of it, it'll probably take you about 20-25 minutes tops to apply the color. It's really not that hard since you're not mixing the color with anything else. So you're just literally just squeezing it directly onto your hair, and then you'll just, move it down your hair, move it throughout your roots, just so that it can get covered as much as possible. One thing for certain that I do know is that I'm going to end up um, touching up my hair again soon, because this one bottle of color was just not enough. I'll probably have to go back and get probably one or two more bottles, just so I can make sure all of my locks are fully covered with the jet black, because I don't really want my ends to be brighter, but I just settled for it for this time since I didn't have enough color. But make sure that you get enough color when you're shopping for it, so that you can avoid having to settle like I did. Side note, could you leave a comment down below with the kind of lock videos that you would like to see? That would be so helpful, and I would greatly appreciate it. I'm gonna let the color sit on my hair. It says for 25 minutes, but I like to do 30 just to make sure that the color really takes my hair, that my hair really takes the color. And then I'm going to wash it out, and I'll come back so you can see the results. So while editing this video, I decided that I'm not going to even waste my time showing you all the initial reveal, only because you can't really tell the difference due to the lighting of the video. So I chose to show you all a TikTok that I did the following day, but as you can see, my hair is darker. I do like the results. My tips are a little bit brighter, but